an investigation by a leading news daily claims that Union Minister of State for Agriculture, Bhagirath Chaudhary, received a subsidy of nearly 99.6 lakh rupees for a commercial cucumber farming project under a scheme administered by the Ministry of Agriculture itself. The report points out that while the subsidy was approved by a project approval committee and not by the minister personally, Chaudhary is also the ex officio vice president of the National Horticulture Board, the very body that administers the scheme. The findings have now triggered a serious political controversy, with questions being raised over conflict of interest, transparency and propriety of a union minister receiving subsidy under a scheme administered by his own ministry. So let's take you through the details as far as this particular case is concerned. Let's tell you what all has been reported in this particular investigation by a newspaper. According to the report, Union Minister of State received 99.6 lakh rupees as subsidy. The subsidy also, in fact, came, from his own ministry scheme. So this subsidy he received was under his own ministry scheme. The subsidy was actually granted by National Horticulture Board. Now, National Horticulture Board functions under Agriculture Ministry. NHB's ex officio vice president is Union Minister of State for Agriculture, as per the report. Now, viewers, this has triggered a huge war of words as well, the political war of words that we are witnessing. In fact, in Ajmer, Rajasthan, Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Bhagirath Chaudhary, has now reacted to the reports claiming that he received a 99 lakh rupee subsidy for his cucumber farm under a scheme run by his own ministry. Responding to the controversy, the minister rejected all allegations of wrongdoing, saying that everything was transparent and publicly available. So this is the first reaction from the minister that we've got for you on this particular story.
छिपा के काम थोड़ी किया मैंने, वहाँ कलेक्टर भी आए, जिन्होंने कुचामन के डीएम साहब भी आए, सारे आए, तो देख के उन्होंने प्रशंसा करी है और किसानों को ले जाके हम तो वहाँ पर परीक्षण दे रहे हैं कि आप भी इस तरह की खेती करिए। इसमें छिपाकर क्या काम किया? विपक्ष को ये पता है कि और तो क्या कह सकते हैं, ये कह नहीं सकता है कि भागीरथ चौधरी कभी चोर है, इस तरह का 1 रुपए का कोई बता दे कोई जीवन। तो मैं किसान हूं और जो आम जन जो कर रहे हैं उसी आधार पर मैंने किया और छिपा के नहीं किया है।
Let's go across to my colleague Dev, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Dev, we got the first reaction from Minister of State for Agriculture. He is saying that he is a farmer, but he is also a Minister of State. And there is a question of conflict of interest that emerges in this particular case, even though he has rejected allegations of wrongdoing.
Well, yes, absolutely. In this case, let me put it clearly first. We know in this case who the beneficiary is. But in reality, who the beneficiaries are supposed to be are individuals, self-help groups, association of growers, cooperative societies, farmer-producer organizations, agricultural produce marketing committees. But the thing is that the minister in question, Bhagirath Chaudhary, is neither of these. This is a clear misuse of power because he is the Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Nowhere can we see that farmers' welfare, but it's more of personal welfare. You can see above almost a crore, 99.6 lakh rupees for his cucumber farm. That money could have been used to help out other farmers in the adjoining regions as well. But however, there is more than what meets the eye. It is not just Bhagirath Chaudhary who's in question. The bureaucrat also aiding and assisting him all these years. In the last 5 to 6 years, more than around 1.5 crore rupees has been received by the IAS officer, the bureaucrat in question, who was also in the animal husbandry department. Not just him, but his son, his wife and his mother are also named amongst the beneficiaries. So this is definitely a case of malpractice and misusing someone's official position. In this case, however, it was to be used not just for cucumber but for growing tomatoes, capsicum, at least 8 varieties of flowers including roses, So these are the kind of details that we have at this point in time. While he may continue to give his rebuttal and remain stern over the fact that there is no wrongdoing and he has not done anything wrong, but as we can see, it is clearly evident as to the fact that what has really happened. The farmers have definitely not received help, but calling himself a farmer and taking that help for his personal...
They've appreciated you joining us with your inputs on the story, and like I mentioned earlier, that this has triggered a war of words as well. Opposition, in fact, is calling it a direct family transfer scheme.